These last few weeks have been difficult, but it's only going to get harder. Long hours of darkness lie ahead of us.
A different tone for Governor Tim Walz's State of the State address tonight. His message to Minnesotans: spring will come. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Randy Meyer.
And I'm Kelsey Carlson. Governor Tim Walz saying the state of Minnesota is resilient in the face of COVID-19 right now. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. There are 935 confirmed cases in the state right now and 29 deaths. But health officials say more than half of the people confirmed to have the virus have now recovered. Still, Governor Walz is asking President Trump to declare a disaster for Minnesota. It would allow federal relief and funding to come our way. Governor Walz's address focusing on Minnesotans coming together to save lives.
Fox 9's Courtney Godfrey live tonight. Courtney, the governor acknowledging and thanking Minnesotans for making daily sacrifices.
Randy, the governor addressing Minnesotans from his home tonight, where he has been in self-isolation since finding out that a member of his security team tested positive for COVID-19. A very different state of the state from the governor tonight. No politics, just hope.
Right at the time Minnesotans are usually putting away their shovels and snowblowers, opening up their windows and emerging from their homes, we're bracing for a storm of epic proportions.
Comparing the fight against COVID-19 to a long Minnesota winter, Governor Tim Walz addressed the long fight Minnesota has ahead.
These last few weeks have been difficult, but it's only going to get harder. Long hours of darkness lie ahead of us. We're going to do everything in our power to save lives, and as hard as we work, we're not going to be able to save everyone.
29 Minnesotans have died so far, and 935 have tested positive, with the actual number of those infected presumed to be much higher. The governor says they are working hard to increase testing, build hospital capacity, and he made yet another plea for people to stay home.
Staying home is the only vaccine we have right now. You are slowing the spread of this disease. You are protecting your neighbors. You are giving hospitals time to prepare to care for the many who will fall ill.
Saying that just like a long, cold Minnesota winter, one thing is sure: spring will eventually arrive.
But we won't just make it to spring. We'll come out on the other side better from this winter.
Governor Walz thanking healthcare workers, of course, tonight, but also praising Minnesota companies like 3M and Medtronic for their role in fighting the COVID outbreak. He even mentioned Mayo Clinic and a trial that they have going on where they would use blood from COVID-19 survivors to treat those who get it in the future. Reporting live in Minneapolis, Courtney Godfrey, Fox 9.
All right.